Okay, so in this video I will show you a nifty trick with the XTEINK X4 Pro that makes it much easier if you don't like touch and touch displays, because the X4 Pro has a touch layer, a touch display above, and it doesn't have any physical buttons anymore at the bottom. But I will show you a really cool way reading, and it feels like you have the X4 or X3 instead without a touch display, but you have the touch display left, but it doesn't bother anymore. So let's go to my table cam so I can show you that. Some comments from some people is that they don't like that I show me so much in my videos, so I will do this on table cam instead. Okay, so here we have the XTEINK X4 Pro, and here we have the X3 and the X4, and I love the white color of the X4. If you should buy any of these, try buy the white version, because it's so much better with the bezels, and the margins in the books have the same color as the bezels on the X4. So do that if you can. This is the X4 Pro in black though. And if we start that, we see now I have a book open and reading. And you are used to have that you can hold it like this when reading without bother with the touch display on these two. And as you see, I can do that also with this. So it's very easy now, because in the settings you can choose to turn off the touch display completely, or you can do as I have done. This is a way that I like, and that is it's only swipeable, not clickable. So I love that I can swipe on this display instead of click. So if I click here, it doesn't turn pages. If I click here, it doesn't turn pages. But if I swipe, it turns pages. And that is very cool, because then you can hold it like this without bother about the touch display. And you can also do these. You can scroll up like this to get to the reader menu. You can scroll down to get to your light menu, dark mode and front light. That is very nifty. But how do we do this then? We go out here and we go into settings, and we go into the reader menu. Sorry, I mean controls menu. Here we have touch reader controls. If you click on that once, you can choose to have touch completely off. You can choose to have taps instead of swipes, or you can choose swipes as I have now. So now I have swipes on. But if you turn this off completely, you can't even swipe when you're reading a book. So now if we go into a book, you can hold it like this, you can swipe, nothing happens, exactly as you have on X3 and X4. You can handle it like this. The only thing that happens if you do this, or touching the home button by a click like so. So that is also one way you can do it. Now you can only turn pages with the buttons and nothing else. Some users prefer that, but I love to have swipe, and the reason for that is, let's go back and choose swipe again. Touch reader controls, swipe. The reason for that is that if I hold it like this in the left hand, it's so awkward to have this button to turn the page. Before on these I used the button here to turn pages, but now I can't. So if I hold it like this, I can't do any page turn. So if I hold it like this, I just do this now to turn a page. Brilliant. I use swipe. That is awesome. So if I hold it like this in the right hand, I can also do swipes. You don't need to swipe on this side, so you can swipe to go forward by just swiping here, as you see. That works awesomely good, so that's why I prefer swipe instead of touch when reading on this, because that is brilliant. And soon in the future we will have a dictionary working on the X4 Pro. It works on the X4 and X3 now, and it's brilliant. It's so easy to use dictionaries with buttons really, so no problem there. But on this we will soon have dictionary for example, long pressing on a word. But you can't do that now. So if you go into the reader menu, we have lookup here, but no dictionary set. I have a dictionary, but I can still don't use it because that is not supported yet on the X4 Pro. So I think that's it for this video. So I hope you like this video, and that was just a trick, a feature I wanted to show you that works great on this X4 Pro now, with a touch layer above that you can turn off when reading or just use swipe. I think that's brilliant. Okay, bye.